Hi, in the previous lecture we designed our saddle roof. Now in this lecture, let's further develop by applying some materials. Now I have a flow here. I'm going to extrude using the extrude tool downwards, for example 9 inches. Then let's apply material. I'll recall the material browser and here I'll search for the material wall paint. And here I'll apply this paint to the wall. And I cannot see the paint because of the visual styles. I'll change it to realistic. Then I'll apply this material to the saddle roof and I'll go to the flooring material and I'll apply this one. You can try any of the materials. Now I can see my saddle roof, but it seems there's a problem. Underneath of the saddle roof, we can see some areas have not got the material supplied. It is because we made the NURBS surface and we made it thicken. So we have two elements. One is the solid, the other one is a NURB surface. What I'll do is I'll select here, not the 3D solid, but the NURB surface and I'll delete it. Now I can see my model very clearly. Now this is my saddle roof. Okay, great. Let's move to the next lecture.